YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Tesla Model X 90 car model. This is the alloy die-cast white color. So the box didn't really get damaged during shipping or carrier from the carrier. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. I got one of this previously because my brother-in-law liked it so much, so I gave him as a present. So and this one I got it for $9 only. Actually, it is cheaper compared to my first one that I bought. Because the new seller wants to sell it for $9.98, and at first I offered $8. Didn't accept it, so he counter offered me back $9. Well, $9 for two, but I just counter offer him back $9 for one, because I was gonna buy it for the gift again or something. Wow, the tape is so strong. Ooh, nice. Look at that. And it is bubble wrap on for the top and bottom, which is good, so it won't get smashed during shipping. Cut this open. Ooh, even got a tag. Nice. Brand new tag. Pros one. Last time I didn't even get the tag, so the tag doesn't really matter anyway. It's gonna end up throwing away. So let's remove this tag, okay? And there's like a oxidized coin battery. It says 1.3 volt times 3. And then that is the LR44 size. Is it? Yeah, it says right there. Here and then here. So let's go ahead and pull out this tag. So this car has a sound, which is pretty awesome. There is your hood. You pop out the hood, and then your rear hatch. Oh my God, scratch. Nope, that's not a scratch. Good. So I don't have to file a case. So this is the door. And then that is a rear view. on the tailgate, lift tailgate. Oh, come on, so dirty. And then open the door. It says, ready to take off. Please put on your seatbelt in Chinese. And then you have a honking sound. And then there's like an alarm sound. In case you guys missed my unboxing or review about this car, or the diecast car, when you press the front wheels, it's going to make the engine sound and take off. And there's flaws. When you open the trunk, it will not allow you to open while the Falcon wings door it is open. Like not all the way. See how it opened up, but it's not all the way up. Unless you close this Falcon wings door, and then you can pop this trunk open higher. And you cannot open the Falcon wings door, so you get stuck. So I'm not sure if that's a bad design or I'm gonna close down a little bit in order, wow, close all the way down in order to pop it open. So this is the pull back. So you can pull back and then take off. So let's go ahead and then test out the front wheel. Pretty bad design this time. I'm not sure the door is not closing right or something got stuck somewhere. I'm gonna report that to the seller. Anyway, you gotta press the engine. Let's go see what's inside there. There's your touch screen right there. Your steering wheel. Your back seat. And then this is the view. Close-up review. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. And drop any other comments on below. Alright? Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always. Peace.